Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a no-go zone, no-mop zone, or a virtual wall to your DREAME X30 Ultra map. As you can see, there is quite a few things going on my map already, and I'll show you how to edit your map to restrict your robot from going to some certain areas, and in order to do it, tap on the map editing button. Then select no-go zone or virtual wall, which is right here. Now you can add a virtual wall by tapping on here. Then place it wherever you want. You can rotate it, you can enlarge it, you can shorten it. And what it does is that wall will restrict the robot from going past that wall. That is extremely useful, for example, for staircases. Of course, the robot has cliff sensors, but if the staircase is always there, as it typically is, you just don't need the robot to even try going there. Another thing is if you leave some of the doors open to the outside world and you don't want the robot to go past these doors, you can also do that there, which is pretty useful. And yeah. Then no-go zone. This is a zone where your robot will not go into at all. You can see I already have one added, so I'll just remove the new one. You can see I have one here. The robot will not go there. This is useful, for example, for dog food. If you have dog food somewhere laying on the floor, you don't want robot to spill the water out or whatever else. The no-mop zone is a zone where your robot will vacuum only. And as you can see, you can move it, you can resize it, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.